how to disable contact sync on iPhone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off contact syncing for your accounts. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap Contacts. Now, tap on Accounts. Here, you'll see the accounts connected to your account, such as Google, Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. Tap the account you don't want to sync contacts with. Now, turn off the Contacts option. Tap Delete from my iPhone. If your iPhone asks whether you want to remove the synced contacts from your iPhone, choose the option that matches what you want to do. The contacts will no longer sync from that account to your iPhone. If you're using iCloud contacts, go back to Settings, tap your Apple account name, then tap iCloud. Select Show All under Saved to iCloud. Turn off Contacts, then tap on Keep on my iPhone or Delete from my iPhone, which one you like. And that's it. You've successfully disabled contact syncing on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials.